Welcome back to Salty Mechanics, the docks of Norway. I'm happy to see that you are watching and you're up early. That's good. Alright, so it's been a minute since my last episode. You know, I know. Yeah, I've missed you guys too. But that's just the way it is sometimes, you know. First and foremost, I run a business, and then secondary to that, I got this YouTube thing going on. I wish it was the other way around, but it's not. So once in a while, you know, that's gonna happen. But I want to get back on the horse again, so I'm just doing this intro right now because I know that that will get me going, and then, you know, we'll see what we will do this episode. Let's just go. All right. So we are making some changes here at the workshop. We will get a new kitchen. So it's going to be more organized. All the dirty stuff right here. And then it gets cleaner and cleaner as we get to the main area here of this kitchen. So it's going to be good. We are waiting for an electrician to come and do some stuff. And we already got the pipes lined up here. So now we got water here, and we'll get water over there. So it's definitely coming along, so it's gonna look so much better here in not too much time.
Så den jævla mutteren så det faen å klikke.
Ja, men det skjønner jeg. Det er jævlig irriterende.
Jævla forbanna drit. Også det å få en mutter til å gå på her gikk tydeligvis heller ikke.
Ja, det er så mye drit i veien.
Det er det.
Faen, altså. Nå ble jeg stokkblind.
Og du gjorde det, ja? Må ta på brillene først.
Ja. Der da. Så sånn det ble, ja. Jeg tror det ble bra, ja.
Ja.
Nei. Vi mekaniker ikke får til.
Det finnes ingenting.
Jeg holder hele driten, ja.
Sitter stempelet da?
Nei, ikke sikkert det, men prøv å tro på den. Nei, det går.
Det går?
Ja.
Ja, der ser jeg det. Ja. Ja, det er jo bra da.
Ja, nei, altså, det er ikke det her.
So look how small it is when it's all folded up. It's a Blasi, Italian built, and that's the thing with these mopeds. You can fold them up so they don't, take up any room at all. But now it doesn't run, unfortunately. We lost compression, so now we're waiting for a new head gasket and a few other things. So yeah, that's it for now. Turn the music down a little bit. So this is really what this time of the year is about. It's about sending out offers and telling the customer how much it's going to cost to winterize, to get everything serviced, and I have to answer emails as fast as I can and make sure that we collect as many jobs as we can handle, because the money that we make now, that's the money that will serve us during the winter. If we don't make money now, well, we won't survive. So yeah, this is really what it's all about. Back to work. So here I am on board this very nice Sun Odyssey 45 sailboat, and yeah, I like this boat. A lot of wood, it's solid, quite large, but we do have a problem. There's a water leak coming from the freshwater system, most likely, we're not sure. We thought maybe we could have a situation where rainwater was coming in from somewhere, but as soon as you turn on the freshwater system, water is coming from somewhere. So it's my job now to figure out where. Let's turn the switch on for water. We should hear the pump starting up. There we go. Something now. So the moment I started filling up the tank, suddenly I spotted a leak coming from this connection right here. So I went inside and I got a new connection. I'm not sure if I have the right one.
And I don't really know what's wrong with the connection that I had. Alright, let's turn the water pressure pump on again. Alright, I'm done here now. I guess I just want to pack up my things and get back to the office. See you there. Alright, it's getting late now and I realized that I won't be able to finish the setup. I wanted to show you guys the tools that I use and everything in this new section, but I think we're gonna have to do that in another episode because right now it's still a mess. Alright.
So I'm sitting here now enjoying this beautiful evening down at the docks, and I think I'm ready to end this episode. But before I do, I want to read a little bit from this fantastic book. Read this if you want to be YouTube famous. And now it's a chapter about, well, basically how to upload frequently and why that is so important. All right, here goes. It's so important to upload frequently. Otherwise, you will never, ever become YouTube famous. I'm not really doing anything right. All right, I don't know how frequently I will be able to upload, but I know that I will be here with another episode in not too much time, and hopefully I will see you then. All right.
Ikke ta bilde av meg da, for da blir det ødelagt.
Nå har jeg tatt bilde.
Da ødelegger
jeg kameraet, for det blir for ille.
Ja, det blir ødelagt.
Da blir det ødelagt.